Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. This class, we will discuss what is the time to become velocity perpendicular to initial velocity after projection. Let us assume this is a projectile. In previous class, we discussed when its acceleration is going to become perpendicular. But we derived the equation directly. Also, we can say if this is the projectile, its velocity at top of the projectile at maximum height. This is u cos theta. Yes, acceleration due to gravity g. Both are perpendicular after time of ascent time. That is u sin theta by g. Now here, after what time? Velocity and initial velocity is going to be perpendicular with final velocity. This is initial velocity u. Let us assume this is the final velocity after t time. So if you extend this, angle between these two is going to be perpendicular. Now what is the v bar? What is the u bar? So u bar we came to know. So what is u bar? U bar is equal to u cos theta I cap plus u sin theta j cap. So many times we wrote till now. Isn't it? This is u cos theta. This is going to be u sin. What is v bar? This one also we wrote so many times. U cos theta will not change. U cos theta I cap plus what is vy? U sin theta minus gt j cap. If it is going to be perpendicular means what is v u bar dot v bar? U bar dot v bar should be equal to 90 because sorry angle between these two is 90, therefore cos 90 0 uv cos 90 u bar dot v bar should be equal to 0. Now you can apply dot product u cos theta into u cos theta. So u square cos square theta, this one. U sin theta into u sin theta. U square sin square theta minus gt equal to 0. Correct? Next, u sin theta into u sin theta, u square sin theta. So u sin theta into gt. What you will get? So u sin theta into gt equal to 0. What is the common here? U square. U square cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to, you can send this one right side. Gt u sin theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So from this equation, we can write u square equal to gt u sin theta. So one u if it is cancelled, then t is equal to u by what you got? G sin theta. Correct? So they will give this one as question at the time. If you do like this, definitely you are going to get the answer. Correct? So just you have to take final velocity after t time. Initial velocity should be perpendicular means the dot product should be always equal to 0. Okay, you can do like this. Next, what is its velocity after t time that they may ask? They will give here angle, alpha they will give. So I think already I said about this one. Whenever they give alpha after some time, so initial horizontal velocity, final horizontal velocity, or at any time horizontal velocity remains same. If it is v, if it is alpha, then v cos alpha should be equal to u cos theta. Always horizontal components you can equate, then you will be getting the answer. Now next concept in this, horizontal projection from the top of the tower. So from the top of the tower of height h, an object is projected horizontal with horizontal initial velocity. So whenever it is projected, it will be coming like this. This is the horizontal initial velocity. Correct? So from A to B it came. Now how much angle this velocity is making with horizontal means? Horizontal velocity u Horizontal, both are parallel means theta is going to be 0. Now, how much horizontal distance, how much vertical distance it is going to cover after t time? This is point P. This is the horizontal distance x. This is the vertical distance y. Again, you can resolve this one into two components. We came to know ux equal to u cos theta, uy is equal to u sin theta. Here, what is theta? We said 0. Therefore, ux equal to u, uy equal to sin 0, 0. Correct? Now, what is the horizontal distance means? Again, we can write Sx equal to our old formulas. Uxt plus of Axt square. What is Sx here? X. Ux means u. X equal to ut because Ax is 0. Already this one we can write. Previously, I told you to remember in projectile two equations you have to remember. 1, 2, 3. In that, this is equation number 1. U cos theta and 2. What is equation number 2? Sy is equal to uyt plus of ayt square. Now, what is uy here? 0. Vertical distance y is equal to of g t square. Call it as equation number 2. Now, what is the path of this horizontal projection from the top of the chapter? You have to eliminate t. T is equal to x by u. Substitute here. So, y is equal to half g x by u whole square. So, half g x square by u square. So, same like projectile equation only you can remember. Tan theta x minus g by 2u square cos square theta x square. But here you will get here plus that's all. Theta value 0 in this. Therefore, this term will become 0. If we write theta 0, g by 2u square x square. So, this is equal to this equation. Therefore, y is equal to kx square, where k is going to be g by 2u square. So, this is also part of the horizontal projection from the top of the tower is also projected. Now, how much time it is taken to reach the ground from A to B? Time taken to reach ground. So, how much time it is taking means A to B it is vertical distance. Therefore, Sy is equal to uyt plus of ayt square. What is Sy here? Sy after reaching ground, Sy is h 0 plus of gt square. So t is equal to root 2h by g. See this formula already we got somewhere. If an object is dropped from certain height, how much time it is taking? If object is projected horizontally, also it is taking same time to reach the ground. T is equal to root 2h by g from A to B. Now how much horizontal distance it is covering? That is only range equation. So what is this range means? Range is horizontal distance. Therefore, we have to take which equation along x-axis. Therefore, Sx equal to uxt plus of axt square. This term is 0 because ax is 0, sx is r, ux is u, time is root 2h by g. This is the range equation. After reaching ground, how much range it is going to travel. Now in this only they will ask what is the velocity after t time. If this is the velocity, okay, this is going to make alpha angle with horizontal. So v cos alpha, v sin alpha. So how much velocity it is going to make after t time? Again, our formulas Vx equal to ux plus ax. Vx equal to u. Vy equal to uy plus ay. What is uy? 0. What is ay? gt. Therefore, Vx equal to Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. So V bar is equal to Ui cap plus Gt j cap. How much angle it is going to make? How much angle it is going to make means tan alpha equal to. So opposite side by tan alpha equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side means Vy. What is Vy here? Tan alpha. So Vy by Vx. What is Vy? Gt by U. So they will ask. After t time, how much angle it is going to make with horizontal? So at the time, you have to use this equation. So range equation you have to remember. Okay. How much angle it is going to make? What is its velocity after t time? If they ask for magnitude means, what is the magnitude of velocity? Root of u square plus gt. So very important relations are this. Just you can remember. It will be easy by comparing projected ground to ground projected previous class. Okay.